Hello, friends, and welcome back to Anna's Coach Up podcast, the place where educators, writers, and lifelong learners gather to sharpen skills and spark creativity.
Today, we have a brief introduction to the remarkable women of the 6,888 Central Postal Directory Unit, the only all-black, all-female battalion deployed overseas during World War II. These soldiers, often called the 6,888, served with courage, discipline, and determination during one of history's most challenging conflicts.
Coach Anna J. Small Roseborough is from a family with 4 generations of United States military soldiers. Among those who served are her female siblings, her husband, and 2 sons. Coach Anna shares teaching experiences from over 4 decades with teens and adult students in classrooms across the country. She has taught in public, private, parochial, and independent schools in 5 states.
Today, we share an in-class lesson based on a historical perspective of the 6,888. This military unit was formed in 1944, at a time when both racial segregation and gender discrimination were deeply embedded in American society. Despite this, these women volunteered to serve their country, leaving families, jobs, and school behind. They trained rigorously, preparing to handle the overwhelming task of clearing the growing mountains of undelivered mail destined for American troops stationed across Europe.
When they arrived in Birmingham, England, they walked into warehouses stacked from floor to ceiling with millions of letters and packages. Some mail had been sitting for years, damp, gnawed by rodents, and often addressed with only a first name or nickname. Troop morale across Europe was suffering. The War Department estimated it would take 6 months to clear the backlog. The 6,888 said, "Give us 3."
The women faced harsh conditions. The warehouses were cold and dimly lit. The women worked around the clock in 3 shifts, sorting an average of 65,000 pieces of mail per shift. They slept on beds with no heat and endured discrimination from their own countrymen, even while serving abroad. But they never slowed down.
Alongside the hardships came moments of triumph. They brought innovation to a chaotic system, developing cards that tracked thousands of soldiers with identical names. They kept each other's spirits alive through laughter, songs, and deep camaraderie. And they finished the impossible task, not in 6 months, not in 3 months, but in half that time.
After England, they were sent to Rouen, France, where another massive backlog awaited them. Again, they tackled it with precision and finished ahead of schedule. By war's end, they had processed over 17 million pieces of mail, ensuring that troops received messages of love, hope, and connection from home.
For decades, their contributions went unrecognized. But today, their story is finally being told, a story of perseverance, patriotism, and excellence. These women overcame racism, sexism, grueling labor, and dangerous wartime conditions to boost the morale of an entire fighting force. Their motto was simple: no mail, low morale. And they restored morale for millions.
As you reflect on what you've learned, you're invited to write a short poem inspired by the courage, resilience, and legacy of the 6,888. Your poem may honor their determination, their unity, or the long-overlooked brilliance of their service.
Thank you for tuning into Anna's Coach Up podcast today, and for helping keep the story of the women of the 6,888 Central Postal Directory Unit alive.
We also invite you to check out similar creative writing assignments on Coach Anna J. Small Roseborough's website at teachingenglishlanguagearts.com, where you also will find links to her textbooks.
Until next time, keep encouraging curiosity, creativity, and community in your classroom and beyond. Bye for now.